Model, 2014 Hyundai Iload Comfort 2.5 CRDI mileage spares OR repairs. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 85,982. Engine, 2,497 cc D4 CBW1E5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect under powered turbo. Oil seals have worn and the turbo will need replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features, 1 former keeper, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199972.